noite. Não há palavras para descrever este momento.
The blue flag is flying high over Baku, Azerbaijan. Chelsea have won the Europa League again, just as they did 6 years ago. Both times they've contested it, they've won it. And even Petr Cech in his farewell appearance.
That sort of like first moment I met him, I just couldn't believe that he was actually the young kid that was ill, because he sort of like ran over to me. I just think from that moment it was just like just that instant connection. Obviously I knew he was going to be mascot.
Neymar of Barcelona, of Brazil, gives Brazil their first ever Olympic gold medal. Such delight, sheer joy.
And before the game started, a Premier League first, players taking a knee ahead of the match in memory of George Floyd.
Playing, and he is. It's going to be missing. It's going to be hard to be replaced.
I agree, Alex, and he's had injuries. I remember him in that terrible leg break at Stoke, and a lot of players might not even come back from that.
Vittorie di passione e di lavoro saranno un giorno celebrati nei libri della storia del calcio. Tutti sanno che uno dei segreti in campo è sempre stata la BBBC o BBC. Questa sigla da sempre sinonimo di autorevolezza. Oggi viene consegnata.
Lo sentí desde el primer día que llegué aquí, como un niño. Me voy con 34 años como un hombre. Gracias por todo este mes que me habéis pedido que me quedase de la forma que lo habéis hecho. Solo os puedo decir que os llevaré en mi corazón para siempre.
A team that's been an unstoppable scoring machine has capped a record-breaking season with the biggest trophy.
This afternoon, our thoughts and praise are with the family and friends of pilot Isabella Rosa Lekovic, pilot Eric Swafer, Carly Pong Pamper, Nusala Suknanai,